Hello students, Meenal Mahajan here. Our today's topic is probability. This is very interesting topic. So what is the exact meaning of probability? So probability is a branch of mathematics concerning numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur or how likely it is that a proposition is true. The probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1. Roughly speaking, 0 indicates impossibility of the event and 1 indicates certainty. So, probability is a measure of likelihood of an event to occur. Many events cannot predicted with total certainty. We can predict only the chance of an event to occur, that is, how likely they are to happen using it. So here you can see example tossing of a coin. This is very well known example. When we toss a coin, either we get head or tail. Only two possible outcomes are possible, head or tail. But if we toss two coins in the air, there could be four possibilities of events to occur, such as both the coins show head or both shows tail, or one shows head and one tail. That is, you can see the set on the screen, that is sample space. So what is the formula of probability? So probability of an event is defined as number of favorable outcomes to total number of favorable outcomes. So there are types of probability. Main types of theoretical probability, experimental probability, and axiomatic probability. Theoretical probability is based on possible chances of something to happen. Theoretical probability is mainly based on reasoning behind probability. For example, if a coin is tossed, the theoretical probability of getting a head will be 1/2 because total outcomes are 2. Experimental probability, it is based on the observation of an experiment. The experimental probability can be calculated based on number of possible outcomes by the total number of trials. For example, if you toss a coin 10 times, then head is recorded 6 times. Then experimental probability for head is 6 upon 10, that is 3 by 5. Axiomatic probability means a set of rules or axioms are set which applies to all types. These axioms are set by Kolmogorov, are known as Kolmogorov's three axioms. With the axiomatic approach to probability, the chances of occurrence or non-occurrence of the events can be quantified. So here some basic definitions are, you can see, experiment or trial means a series of actions which are where the outcomes are always uncertain. For example, tossing of a coin, selecting cards from a deck of cards, throwing a dice. Events means what, children? It is the single outcomes of an experiment. Getting a head while tossing a coin. Outcome means what? Possible result of a trial or experiment. Means tail is possible outcomes when a coin is tossed. What are equally likely events? When the events have the same theoretical probability of happening, then they are called equally likely events. The result of a sample space are called equally likely if all of them have same probability of occurring. For example, if you throw a die, then the probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6 that we have seen already. And the probability of getting all the numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 one at a time is 1 by 6. Hence, the following are some example of equally likely events when throwing a die. Getting 3 and 5 on throwing a die. Getting even number and odd number on a die. Getting 2, 1, 2, 3 on rolling a die are equally likely events since the probabilities of each events are equal. What are complementary events? The possibility that there will be only one outcomes which states that an event will occur or not. Like a person will come or not come to your house, getting a job or not getting a job are the examples of complementary events. Basically, the complement of an event occurring in the exact opposite that the probability of it is not occurring. Some of more well-known examples are it will rain or not rain today. The students will pass the exam or not pass. You will win the lottery or you don't. Here, when a single die is thrown, there are 6 possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The probability of any one of them is 1 by 6. When there is a rolling of 2 die, there are 36 outcomes. You can see the table on the screen. Sample specimens, all the possible outcomes of an experiment. Here, choosing a card from the deck. So there are 52 cards in a deck, in non-including jokers. Here, in the deck, there are 4 types of cards. One is heart, one is spade, one is diamond, one is club. All the shapes contain 13 cards, 1 to 10 number cards, and king, queen, and jack. This is the information about the deck. So children, you can take help all this information and solve more examples. Thank you children.